Okay, it's been an hour since we autolysed this dough. It's at 75% hydration. We've got all the bran in there, so it's actually doing a really nice job of pulling a window pane. This is our pre-ferment. You can see that it's really nice and bubbly. So it's been fermenting about 5 hours. I'm going to mix the two. I've got 15 grams of salt here. Put that over on the side. Okay, I've got all the pre-ferment in here. We've got our salt. So I'm going to start working this all together. Some salt on the bottom still. Let's see if we can incorporate the pre-ferment and the whole grain dough. We'll be folding this over several hours, so it will incorporate. It doesn't have to incorporate all at once. If you have a mixer, you can put both doughs in the mixer and just mix them up. So we're mixing the pre-ferment, whole grain dough, and the salt all together now. Pre-ferment was 75% hydration. The whole grain dough was 75% hydration. So we have 75% hydration here. And because they're both the same hydration, they'll come together easier than if they were two different hydrations. Okay, I think I'm going to leave that for now, and I'll be back and I'll do some more folding and mixing of the two in about 30 minutes.